like. We have inquired in several places and they look completely different, but this is the one that looks like that, and it sits in the same place like normal in the driver's footwell on the side. Other type module sits in the same place. Turn them on and turn them off, and main beam, so the light switch works perfect now. Hi, welcome to the channel again. Right, we've got a Mini here that came in with a problem with these electrics, like the lights wouldn't turn off, the rear windows weren't working, and we tried to replace the light switch, made no difference whatsoever. But we got to the problem. This is your body control module. Yeah, the reason this body control module failed is because of a jump start. Somebody has jump started it, or the battery's gone completely dead and the jump started in the wrong way, and that's what damages this body control module. So if you jump start the car, all of a sudden your lights won't turn off or your window stops working, pretty much guarantee you messed up the body control module. So that module in the footwell has to come out and be repaired if you're lucky. If not, it has to be replaced and then reprogrammed also. And in this particular Mini, that's what it looks like. We have inquired in several places and they look completely different, but this is the one that looks like that, and it sits in the same place like normal in the driver's footwell on the side. Other type module sits in the same place, and so we have taken to the repair place, and they have found there's a corrupt software inside, so they've reset all of the stuff and they put new software on it. So now we're going to try and to see if it's going to work. I'm going to try and put it back in. It's very awkward to get to. Start with the bottom plugs because they're the awkward. Once they're in, the top ones are not too bad. Right, the bottom ones are in. All the plugs are color coded, so you can't really mix them up. Nuts. Right, before I put the cover on, I'm going to try. There you go. Now the lights, you can turn them on and turn them off, and main beam, so the light switch works perfect now. Perfect. All the windows are working, lights are working as it should. So we did have a corrupt module, and because we took it to be repaired, so that means that this doesn't need to be reprogrammed or anything. Literally plug it in, done. If you get a second-hand one, you might have a problem. So you might have to reprogram it. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But if you fix your own original module, it's done. Yeah. So in this particular car, this body control module, it looks like that. The one in the photo is for different model, and this 2005 convertible has that type of a body control module, and they're not compatible. They're totally different. So this is the one. If you might find on the Google, or everybody mentions the other type of modules, and not one of them would point out to this particular module. And a lot of repair places don't even think repairing places like that, so you need to be careful where you need to find the place that can fix it for you. You need to mention that particular module with part numbers. It's on the sticker, so it's easy to find the part number, quote the part number, the ECU repair place, and by that part number you can they'll tell you if they can fix it or not. This one we managed to fix it at the other place, so now the car is all MOT ready. Well, apart from obviously we need to put all the covers back together now. Otherwise it's all good. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like. See you later. Bye.
Thanks for watching.